Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Hurry up, quickly, hurry up.
We are about to reach. Let's go. Quick. I'm asking you to wait.
You can't reach me.
Hold on.
Don't let him go. Hold on.
Oh Ali, I am waiting for you.
Attack.
How did I get involved with such evil people? There will be a good reward. We arrived comfortably.
Buy clothes.
Sell it cheap. We are buyers. He is going so fast.
Of course he is going to the palace of Musa bin Baka.
Hold on, oh beast.
Who are you and what do you want? I asked, who are you and what do you want?
There is a gift for Musa bin Baka.
Remove the mask so that I can see who you are. Go in now.
What a glory.
What do you want, young man?
Hello.
Tell me, what do you want?
I brought a gift for Musa bin Baka.
Show me.
I want to give it myself. Because we have worked hard to bring it here safely.
Okay, give it yourself.
The attendant is accompanying the guest.
Bring it here. Let me see what you have.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome. How long will this debate continue?
Someone came with a gift and said he would like to offer that himself to you.
Let's see.
This is an invaluable gift from my master to you.
Wow, what a jewel. Why haven't you gone yet? Do you want a gift in return? Am I right?
Yes.
Guardian,
Yes, master.
throw him out.
Sure, master.
What a stingy man.
What a beautiful jewel. Where do you think this jewel should fit?
May my life be sacrificed on you, master. It should be fit for your cane or your ring.
Or maybe on my whip. What do you think?
Whatever you intend.
First of all, have a good artwork on it. Who is the expert in this work? Who will you introduce, servant?
I don't know. Someone satisfactory. An expert.
A man Eunice is an expert in this field.
How do you know?
He is trustworthy and an expert in jewel making.
Good. Give it to him to make the best artwork.
Be satisfied.
Come in. Any work? Are you Eunice? Yes, I am. Come on. This jewel belongs to my master Musa bin Baka. It is a very beautiful jewel. My master has ordered that you make a beautiful artwork on it according to his excellence. I hope you will live up to his expectations. And what if there is something wrong with the jewel? Then you know the outcome. And if it is done according to his command, he will make you needless. Now I leave. I will come and see you soon. I will make such an artwork on it that everyone will be amazed. What a beautiful jewel! If I make a good image on it, I will be needless. Oh woman, look at this.
What is it?
Gone are the days of poverty and helplessness.
Do not be greedy. We have everything we need.
Enough. Don't you want a pool, a garden, a well?
Don't be so greedy. I only want Allah's pleasure.
You've ruined my mind. Now I am going to work to make a masterpiece. Then Musa bin Baka will give me bags full of gold coins.
Where are you going, father?
I'll be back soon, daughter. I'll be rich. Let's get started. What have I done? No. What have you done? He will kill you. Oh God, help me. I entrust my wife and children to you. You know that Musa will punish me severely. Save me. You are the best helper. Help me. Send mercy for us from your heavenly bliss. O Imam Ali Naki, O grandson of the Messenger of God, help me. The jewel of Musa ibn Bakka was broken from me. He will not have mercy on me. Pray for me, please. Help.
Trust Allah, Yunus, and remember that Allah is testing you. What was lacking in life that made you think that Musa will make you needless?
Imam, I know, I am a sinner. Instead of trusting on Allah, I kept expectations from servant. I entrust my wife and children to you. Because Musa will not let me live.
It's time for morning prayers. Pray and ask Allah for help.
Yunus, have you made an image on the jewel? No, not yet. That's great. My master Musa has said that divide the jewel into 2 pieces and make an image on them. He wants to gift it to his 2 sons. Thank you, Allah. I testify that you are the only one creator. I repent, Lord. I testify that all Imams are true leaders, guides and the real successors of the Holy Prophet.